Swirl in, swirl out. Hey guys, so this is my 100th YouTube video. Yay! So anyways, I just want to say thank you guys for all the support I've been receiving for these 4 years. It's been amazing, like since 2010. So many experiences. I've met really a lot of people through YouTube, and this still is a huge and awesome journey for me, and I really appreciate all the positive feedback I get. It means a lot to me when I see that you like my stuff. You know, it really means a lot to me because I'm really glad that you like my stuff, and that really means a lot to me. Like, stay awesome guys, stay awesome. So I just want to use this video, because this is my 100th YouTube video, to say a huge thank you for all of my YouTube subscribers, and those who watch my videos, and those who have been with me since I began in 2010, and for those who joined recently. Like, thank you, huge thank you to all of you. You are all awesome, you're all equally awesome to me, and just stay awesome guys, stay awesome. So yeah, thanks for watching this episode, see you in the next video, bye!